In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a live stream on Telegram using OBS. Before we begin, make sure you are using the Telegram desktop application and you have OBS Studio installed. You'll also want reliable internet and permission to start a live stream in your chosen group or channel. Start in Telegram. Open the group or channel where you want to go live. Look toward the top right of the window for the live stream or video chat icon. Click it. Then choose the option labeled Stream with Telegram will display a unique server URL and a stream key. Keep this window handy because you'll paste both of these into OBS in a moment. Treat the stream key like a password. It grants direct access to your broadcast, so don't share it and don't show it on screen. Now switch to OBS Studio. Open OBS and head to Settings, then select the Stream tab. For the service, choose Custom. You'll see fields for server and stream key. Return to Telegram, copy the server URL and paste it into the server field in OBS. Then copy your stream key from Telegram and paste it into OBS as well. Double check for extra spaces when you paste, as even a small typo can prevent the connection. With the connection set, prepare what viewers will see and hear. In OBS, make sure you have a scene selected, then add your sources. For video, you might add your webcam or a screen capture to share slides, a demo, or your desktop. For audio, add your microphone so you can speak to your audience and include system audio if you want them to hear application sounds or media. Arrange your sources in the preview so everything looks the way you want. You can resize the webcam to sit in a corner. Crop screen captures for a cleaner frame. And check the audio meters to confirm your mic is active but not peeking into the red. When everything is ready, it's time to go live. In OBS, click Start Streaming. This begins sending your video and audio to Telegram. But your audience won't see it yet. Go back to the Telegram window and click Start Live Stream. That final confirmation is what takes your broadcast public in the group or channel. If you don't see video immediately, give it a moment. Most delays are just the stream handshaking. And that's it. Thanks for watching.